Hello, good day. My name is Ana May Gapo. I am 24 years old and I am single. I am currently living at or residing at Parañaque City, Metro Manila. I graduate college taking up course of Bachelor of Science, major in Business Entrepreneurship. So I have two brothers and I have two sisters. My mother's name is Amelia Gabo, and I am proud to share that she is a farmer in the province, which is in Palawan, and my father is a fisherman. So I have two previous work. The one is a helper. I was assigned to take good care of two children. The other one is 5 years old and the other one is 9 years old. I was assigned to send them to school and pick up them to school. I also doing household chores such as cleaning, laundry, and cooking. So my second job was in corporate. I was an administrative secretary. I was preparing documents for meeting. I was scheduling meeting, preparing paperwork for reports, and I was doing record filing and attending webinars and seminars. So my biggest strength is I treat children with kindness, love, and patience. So because I believe that every child deserves to feel safe. And I will assure that I will take good care of them as if they were my own. So I hope to see you soon. Thank you and have a nice day.